Earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals with online surveys. Discover the top legitimate survey sites such as Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers different availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey platforms, consider factors like reputation, survey quantity, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, seizing free offers, and prioritizing high-paying surveys. Follow best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software to protect your data. Be cautious of red flags such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and complex qualification processes. Remember, surveys for money are legitimate and usually take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies value your opinions and pay for your feedback to gather valuable market research and consumer insights. Start earning today by taking online surveys.